Welcome back. I'm about to break through. I actually forgot to set the camera. I was going to set the camera up to show you how I removed all the racking that was in there, but I forgot. So what I've done is I've cut down the sides of the shipper, and I'm about to knock through. Once I knock through, I can get this post out of the way, then start supporting this up out of the way, because this has got to come out as well. So get a couple of acros in there just to support that up, and then we can get through and start laying the floor in there. And then once the floor is laid, insulate it, wire it, clad it, and then once it's cladded, I can then put a door liner in here, put a door in here, so it's all sealed and dust free. So that's the idea. So let's break through. You're going to see it as soon as I am. We are through. Just going to clear that mess up and then we'll cut this out. This needs to be held up because obviously there's still a roof up here, which I'm going to take internal once this room's cleared. So at the moment we need to support this one and that one because we're going to cut this out. Obviously I've got a door liner in, but one problem at a time. So I forgot the video yesterday. Too carried away doing what I was doing, so I'm just going to quickly flip the camera, show you what I got up to, and then show you the progression, what I'm hopefully going to get done today or tomorrow. I'm waiting for some timber and some insulation to come, so until that comes I can't really do a lot, but I want to show you what I've got up to. You can see we broke through, got most of the floor down. I'm waiting for some timber to put some spigots along the edge of that and along this. This one's only temporary fitted for now, because I want some spigots along that edge there just to hold the edge of the board. I think they'll be fine, but if I can put some spigots out there, that'll just hold that up a little bit better. But other than that, floor's all down. I'll start wiring today or tomorrow, so all the sockets in around, all the wiring for the sockets. And then when the insulation comes, get the walls insulated, get the ceiling insulated, and then start cladding it. I've just got to pop on the other side and finish putting the 3 slats in there, or 3 rows in there. I left that open basically so I've got a bit of light in there, because if not it's going to be very dark in here, and I've got to have cables and then I can't be dealing with that. So that's why I'll do that. But I've just got to pop next door and just clad that in. I've already got them cut, I've just got to fit them in. So yeah, other than that, we're getting, but like I say, floor's down. I will paint the floor. I'll paint it grey like I did the other workshop, and then hopefully that'll be nice and durable and last. I've ordered the kitchen units for all in here, so we're having, if you start over here, having a bank of units along there, all the way along here, and then 1,000mm and a 500mm drawer unit there, and then that'll leave me a space in the corner there, which will be behind the door, for cardboard box and paper storage. So that's what's going in that corner. So I've got it in my head how I want it, but whether it'll work that way, I do not know. Along this wall here, we've got a 1,000mm base unit coming out that way, and then we're going to have a section there where the computer's going to be, and the monitors, printers, and then there'll be a packing station in that area there. So hopefully, once it's all done, it'll look pretty good. But like I said, always, I'm going to pop in and just keep showing you snippets and see how we get on. God, it's hot. I'm sweating. Look at me, look like a beetroot. Anyway, end of day 2. Managed to get wiring done, insulate, so I'm going to flip the camera and show you. So I've managed to get first fixed wiring in for all the sockets, lights, all the way around, insulated those walls, half of this wall, got half of this wall done, because we still need to fill that bit up there. Cables going through, all that roof is coming down, all this old roof is coming down, so that'll all be gone, but that'll all be up in the roof, so that'll be good. Chase my wires into that bit there, because that's all being overboarded. So yeah, good achievement today. I'm pleased with what I've done today. Got loads done. Didn't think I was going to get all the insulation done today, but I can't insulate that bit there because I've got to bring the towers through from the fuse box, and then that bit there I can't insulate obviously because I've got to fill in that bit there and make that bit good up there. But other than that, we're getting there. So yeah, happy days. good achievement. Back in there tomorrow, hopefully start getting it bordered tomorrow. I need to nip out in the morning and get some bits, but hopefully by the end of tomorrow we'll have 80% of it all bordered. Hopefully that wall will be bordered, that wall will be bordered up to that corner, and then start boarding the ceiling. I just need to cut some more insulation and start threading it in there, but I've had enough today, it's too hot. But yeah, good achievement. So it's been 3 days now. Hopefully you're going to see the updates as go along. I want to show you how far I've got. Other than a little bit more cladding and decorating, I think I'm nearly there. So let's show you what I've done. So it's a bit dark here because there's no lights. As you can see, let's zoom out. Everywhere is cladded, other than this bit here where we've got the door. I originally wanted to take this out and do this all in one go, but I'm going to end up with an acro right where I'm going to be walking through, which is going to be a real pain. So what I'm thinking is I can leave that bit and clad that bit once this is all done, and then get the door liner in there. But what we've got is all wired for all our sockets. As you can see, I've had to use a bit of storage in here because I've had to empty this room to get the wiring through. So we've had to use a bit of this room for storage. So anyway, all the sockets are in. I've got to start cutting the boxes in, which hopefully I'm going to do during the evenings this week. These sockets are higher than them ones. The reason being is I want those them ones will be about 100mm above the worktop height, so the cables for the printers are not too long and running up the walls. So cladded, insulated, wired, first fix wired. My son-in-law came over yesterday and gave me a hand to run the cables from there right through in the roof space, come down there. All that extra is going to be tucked up in the roof because we're going to obviously put in the roof through there, and then we'll come in underneath all these units, along the back there, along the toolboxes, or behind the toolboxes, up, and here's my tails to go into my consumer box. So that's where they're all going to go. Look at the mess, stuff everywhere, absolutely stuff everywhere. It crazes me, but it's going to be worthwhile in the long run. So like I say, fill all the holes, caulk up along the top where we've got a little bit of gap, where the boards are not, unfortunately 8x4 sheets are not quite square, as you can see here. Now I know that ceiling's perfectly level, but if you look, every single board on this end is short, so they can't be square. That one's my fault, that little bit there, because I dipped it with a saw blade, but everyone else is absolutely perfect. But anyway, that's the plan. We're getting there. Like I say, it's been worktops all the way along there, around there, along this edge, along here, and then along there, and there's going to be a space there for storage. I'm going to build something to store my cardboard boxes, because as you can see, we've got loads of cardboard boxes we need to store. And then hopefully on this wall here will be filament storage, and then on this wall here will be filament storage, PC here, packing station. I was originally going to have PC there, packing station, but I've changed my mind. I want the PC on the end, and that gives me a bit more room for packing station. And so that's the plan. So that's as far as I've got. I'm back to work Monday. Today is Sunday. I've had 3 good days on it, and it's turned out better than what I expected. It is going ahead, and hopefully the next update will be me putting in the well, actually I'll do an update once I've done all the wiring, painted it, give you a quick update, and then also hopefully then that'll be units in, worktops on, and then we actually start turning into a proper workshop. So yeah, good. So anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care, speak to you soon, and bye for now.